Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make money on Coinbase. First, we'll explore the simplest methods available directly on the platform. Coinbase provides various opportunities for users to earn digital assets, often without needing complex trading strategies. We'll cover how to get started with these easy methods, ensuring you understand the basic steps to begin growing your crypto portfolio. It's a great way to dip your toes into the world of cryptocurrency earnings. Let's dive deeper into two popular methods, Coinbase Earn and staking. With Coinbase Earn, you simply watch educational videos about different cryptocurrencies and answer a few quick questions to receive free tokens. It's an excellent way to learn and earn simultaneously. Staking involves holding specific cryptocurrencies to support the network, and in return, you earn rewards. For example, you might earn 3% to 6% annually on certain assets, providing a steady passive income stream. Beyond passive earning, active strategies like trading can also be profitable. This involves buying cryptocurrencies when their price is low and selling them when they rise. Always research and understand market trends before making trades. Another simple way to earn is through Coinbase's referral program. When you invite a friend and they trade at least $100, both of you receive a $10 bonus. It's a win-win for everyone involved. While earning on Coinbase can be rewarding, it's crucial to manage your risks effectively. Never invest more than you can afford to lose, and always do your own research before committing funds. Diversifying your portfolio across different assets can also help protect against market volatility. Remember, the crypto market can be unpredictable, so a long-term perspective is often beneficial. Also, for more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to look at the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.